Hey YouTube, it's Phil 20 again. I believe I've got the final product of the solar hot water heater right here. I've got to wire up a 220 volt wire to turn the fan on, but other than that, it's pumping and running. I wanted to pump it today and try to get it complete. Here's the thermal imaging of it. That's the tank. Okay. That tank is 107 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the return line after the coil. That is the coil itself. It's radiating at 101 degrees. It's hot to the touch. Also, I've got that container on the top completely full of water. You can see the hot water line coming off of it. It's hard to get a good reading at this distance, but I'll tell you what it is. The hot water line's 107.4, 107.5. It's good and hot. And this is completely full of water on top. The hot water line is full of water. So like I said, that hot water line coming out is 107. Let's take a look at the inlet. It's 106.5 right now, which I would assume is hotter. But let's go outside and take a look and see what we got done and what I will do in the future. Okay, what's happening right now is exactly what I was afraid of. All the moisture when it busted leaked inside of this device. I put a hole here, and I've got a hole on the other side, so whenever it condensates on the inside, I'm going to take this piece of tape off, and there's a hole inside that piece of tape. If I can get this tape off, you can see how the humidity's in there. It's not a very good thing to have humidity inside of this thing. So we're going to let that humidity out. I've got a hole where the lines come in on the bottom right here. It's going to create a convection all the way over through here. See how it's white? That's because it's the sunlight reflecting off of it instead of into it. Because of the condensation that's still inside of the box. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. Yeah, you can see it retreating away as I open that hole up there. That's going to create a convection to let the heat out. It's letting heat out, which is a bad thing, but once I tape it back up, it won't. And I'm also going to put a cover over this like a little greenhouse out of that corrugated roofing material. And that way it stays a bit hotter too. Any heat inside of this thing is good. And I got a feeling putting that corrugated material up is going to make a huge difference on heating this thing. So it'll have this plastic over it after I get all this heat, moisture out of here by, heating the box with the sunlight, of course. It's Phil 20 signing out with Guns, Games, and Racing.